At Windows 11 Paint app Photoshop like background removal tool. It's possible to download the new version of Paint with a background removal tool without signing up for Windows 11 Insider program. You can now use Windows 11 Paint app to remove the background from any image. This is similar to one of the most popular features of Adobe Paint's Photoshop background removal, but Microsoft tool is completely free. Plenty of free or paid apps or websites remove backgrounds from images. You can have a clean new photo with just the object, especially if you accidentally downloaded a picture with an experience that does not match the look and feel of the primary object. Microsoft is bringing the same functionality to Paint. Microsoft officials explain users may want to remove background from images from many reasons, including something personal or professional. Paint new feature is convenient when you want to remove unwanted background objects from your picture, or if you download PNG that are not genuinely transparent. A background removal tool can help. How to remove background from any image using MS Paint. Here, how to get started removing the background in images using MS Paint. Download and install MS Paint latest version from the Microsoft Store. This new version is available to testers in the Windows Insider program, but we have hosted the installer on our cloud storage. If you cannot wait for the update to arrive in production, open Paint, paste or import your any image onto the app canvas. Click the removal background button in the toolbar. This will automatically remove the background on your entire. It is also possible to take control of the process and use Paint exiting rectangle select function to remove the background from an area specified by you. Paint gets love from Microsoft. Microsoft Paint, also known as Microsoft Paint, has been part of the desktop operating system since 1985. For the past few years, Microsoft famous Paint app has had its days numbered as Microsoft continued to focus on Paint 3D, an alternative and replacement to the classic app. Microsoft previously listed Paint as deprecated following the release of Windows 10 Creators Update and encouraged users to Paint 3D. The giant had announced plans to remove Paint, much like how it intends to remove WordPad, bring installed by default in Windows, and instead encourage people to use newer solution. This change with the release of Windows 11 in a surprising turn. Microsoft has given up on its Paint 3D commitment and instead focus on the Paint app following limited adoption of its Paint 3D alternative. The last update for MS Paint added dark mode and new zoom controls. Today preview update introduced support for the background removal tool in Paint.